Hey Roberto, I spoke with Omaris earlier today. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right, but I explained to her how we came across your ad in the mail the last few days, and she told me you guys were in the process of creating a website, and she agreed for me to send over this little quick video to show kind of what we do. So I appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. So really quickly, I just wanted to go over three things you guys can do to help you grow your business and get more customers and leads online, and how to end up on this first page of Google. So I know she said you guys were in the process of changing a website, and whether you guys have a person or not, I'm just here to provide information. So I know you're probably sitting there wondering why I'm making this video. Well, it's really super simple. I found out that a lot of business owners are too busy actually running their business. They don't have time to learn how the internet can bring them more leads and more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is that they don't know who is and who isn't an expert. So I found out if I make these free attack plans and then send them out to some owners, some people actually go out and do this stuff I give them on their own, and some of them give me a call back. So whatever you guys decide to do is totally okay with me. My only goal here is to educate you and just give you some good information. So I want to talk to you about three things today. First thing I want to talk to you about content. First thing I want to talk to you about is content. So I know you guys are in the process of getting a new website. So Google likes to see 2,000 words of content right here. As you see, this is one of the top competitors in the area, Boutique Tree Service. They're right here on this first page and right here on this first page as well. So Google likes to see about 2,000 words of content on their front page because in their eyes it's making customers stay on there longer. As you see, these guys probably maybe have 100 words on their page, so they're not really getting optimized in Google's eyes for having 2,000 words of content on their front page. But I'll show you why they're ranked up pretty high here in the area in a second. But on top of 2,000 words of content on your front page is these keywords. So a keyword is what people are typing into Google when they're searching for things. For example, Atlanta Tree Service, you see it gets 720 clicks per month. So adding in those keywords on top of that content you have will get you ranked up for those words pretty quickly. So that again, so my first tip is 2,000 words of content on your front page, along with adding in those keywords. Secondly is backlinks. So backlinks is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google is like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for your company, but they want to see relevant companies. So they want to give you more power for having other landscaping companies or other tree service companies. They want to give you good power for those websites, but they're not going to give you power if you have Pizza Hut linking back to your website because Google understands that you don't make pizzas for a living. So what I use for this is Ahrefs. You don't have to use this website. There's a bunch of free backlink tools out there. You can just go on Google, type in free backlink checker. But basically, all you're going to do is very easy to beat these guys. All you're going to do is you come in here, look at these backlinks they have. If these were good enough to get them ranked on this first page, they're gonna get you ranked. So all you literally do is you come in here, you see all these websites they have. These are all websites they have links back to theirs. So you come in here, you might fill out a little form, and then you add your link in the description. Some of these are blog posts, so you might just put a little blog description with a link linking back to your website. So these are all pretty easy things to do. It's pretty time consuming, and another thing is you don't want to just jam all these in at one time because Google's going to understand if you're spammy. So just coming in and taking these links. If these links were good enough for them to rank, they're obviously going to be good enough for you to rank. So you want to copy everything that they have going on here and then go out and do more. So those two tips is what's going to get you ranked organically, which is everything under this map pack section right here. So everything up to here on this first page is organic rankings. Lastly, I want to talk about is getting ranked on this, getting first on this map pack section, the Google My Business section. Everything to do with this is all about citations. Citations is completely free. All you have to do is list your name, address, and phone numbers in a directory. And a directory is basically just a website that allows you to list that business information, such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, White Pages. So I use White Spark to check this as well. You can come in here and you can see they have 71 citations. You can come see what exact citations they have. And again, you want to come out here, you want to copy all these citations they have right here, and then go out and get better ones. If they have 71 citations, I would go out and get 200 and really just blow these guys out the water. So again, that's all I have for you. Thank you again for taking the time to watch this video and listen to it. Quick recap, you want to add at least 2,000 words of content on your front page, along with getting those local keywords in there, and then taking their backlinks and then taking their citations. So again, my name is Devin. I appreciate you for watching this video. I hope it was informative. And if you have any more questions, my number is 775-402-2885, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.